Hey everyone, I'm Jason Chapman and welcome to MarineMax and Rogers. Today we're going to take a look at a recent trade-in that just came in. This is a 2007 Sea Ray 240 Sundeck. So 24 foot in length right here. We do have the trailer that is paired with the boat. Red hull side color. This does have your bimini top up here. And as we walk to the swim platform, nice area back here to hang out, to get in and out of the water. We do have trim tabs on either side. And this is the 5.0 liter MerCruiser Bravo 3, 260 horsepower. So a lot of power when you're out in the water. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. Starting here on the stern of the boat, we do have nice L-shaped seating. You really have a lot of room to move about on a 24-foot boat. We have our captain and co-captain seats right here. Both have bolster seats if you want to sit up a little bit higher. A nice little wet bar entertainment area right here as well. We have snapped in carpet right here, so you can take that out and then clean underneath on the deck. And then as we walk up here towards the helm, tilt steering wheel, we have all of our tacks and gauges up here. Nice visibility when you're sitting right here and on the water. And then on the port side, we do have a pump out head, which is also a great feature. All right, coming up to the bow, we have a nice center walkthrough right here, windshield that does close up. Nice lounge seating on either side, so you can kick back, hang out, and relax when you're on the water with your friends and family. Again, this is a 2007 Sea Ray 240 Sundeck. It's here at our store in Rogers. Summer's right around the corner. Give us a call or stop on by. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.